Attention to detail, a lot of work, but this is what makes Mr. Jiu one of a kind. That's what makes Brendan Jiu a master. Brendan, so nice to see you again.
Thanks for coming, Martin.
You know, you probably know that every time when I have out-of-town guests, the first stop in Chinatown is Mr. Jiu.
It's always a pleasure to have you.
Yeah. I'm just curious why you choose to settle in Chinatown and open in Chinatown. There are a lot of places in the city, there are a lot of places in the Bay Area or anywhere in the West Coast. Why do you choose Chinatown, particularly this spot?
You know, it kind of goes back to some of the memories I had in Chinatown as a kid. And when I came to see the building, when I was considering spaces, I remembered being here. I felt like it was important to be here. And I felt very honored, and I felt like it was almost a responsibility to continue the legacy of the restaurants that were here before me.
Brendan Jiu is definitely a star. And before that, Brendan was a culinary prodigy, trained in both classical Chinese as well as European and American cooking. Brendan is the new hybrid of talented chefs who are comfortable in crossing culinary borders. The results are spectacular. Authentic Chinese flavor in creative international presentations. The folks at Michelin gave Brendan their approval. Mr. Jiu's is one of the few Chinese restaurants in the States with that honor.
I mean, the tradition is what inspires me the most. You know, learning about the techniques. Chinese cuisine is so vast, and it's really remarkable to me. Cantonese cuisine to me is a lot about purity. It's about like having people taste the ingredients in their purest form, and how to use other ingredients and certain techniques to make those natural flavors of those ingredients come out more. And that's been very inspiring. And I think that's California cuisine a little bit too.
You know what? I smell something freshly baked. Look at that. Brendan, tell us what it is.
This is one of our signature dishes. It's the salt-baked trout.
Salt-baked trout.
Yeah.
I have tasted in Chinatown, anywhere, taste salt-baked chicken, but this is salt-baked trout.
That's
very
right.
unique. How do you serve
Yeah,
it?
so what we do when it comes out of the oven, we just kind of
break it.
Yeah. We're using this technique, which is taking salt as an insulation to the heat, right? So the dry heat of the oven, this is insulating it, so it just cooks inside more gentle. Yeah. And then another insulator is the lotus leaf.
The lotus leaf.
What we realize is this, the lotus leaf allows us to take the skin right off, and all of this is this trout fat that just sits right on top.
Whoa. It's amazing, huh? When you do that, the skin actually got stuck.
That's right.
With the leaf, so you don't have to peel the skin.
Yeah. And you can see the cheek is right there, ready for someone.
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
And then how do you serve it?
So when we serve it at the restaurant, we'll make this ginger scallion
this
sauce.
is also the way that they serve the chicken.
That's right.
Okay.
We take trout roe.
Trout roe, see? Look at that, the color contrast. So in a dish, it's always appearance, color contrast, aroma, which is aroma, and then taste.
Yeah.
Now, taste.
Yes.
Taste test. Look at this, so beautiful. Can everybody see this? Close up. Look at that. This is not only looks good, color, aroma, taste, and texture. Let's check it out. The 4 attributes of good dish. Let's dig in.
Okay.
Oh, we'll break this up like this. Look at that, look at that. This is just perfectly cooked. And then this.
And you can just see, the fish is just gently cooked.
The key about Chinese seafood is Never overcook.
Never overcook.
You know what? I normally don't like chow,
Yeah.
but this is amazing. Wow, this is amazing. You know what? This is the best chow I have ever tasted in my entire culinary career.
Oh my goodness.
Salute.
Martin, you're making me
Salute.
blush.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers, Martin.
Great dish.
Thank you.
No wonder this is a signature dish. You know what? You are so wonderful. I will serve you with the cheek. And this is
It's like our
for-
wedding.
Look at
Oh,
that.
yeah.
This is so amazing. How do you see Chinatown today? And then Brendan Jiu's place in the future in Chinatown or in the San Francisco culinary scene?
Yeah. Well, I think Chinatown right now has a really great mix of businesses that have been here, that have been established, that still has a lot of what you can taste the old recipes and in a very pure form, like Sam Wo's and New Louis Wogui down the street. But we need those restaurants. We need those businesses to stay here because they're legacy businesses. And then there's another crop of new restaurants like Mister Jiu's, China Live, and Empress by Boon. They're now open too. So there's another crop of new restaurants here that are exciting. But right now the mix is really, I think, really special.
Here is the indomitable chef, Mr. Brendan Jiu.
Martin, pleasure.
Cheers. Continue success.
Thank you.